Hello everyone, Von Marie here and welcome back to my channel. So I'm super excited for you to be joining us today for the KS Hop, and it's the new blend and bling release, and these are the mini detail blending brushes that are new to the Kat Scrappiness store. We also have so many beautiful embellishments, and to the left I'm going to be using those pretty embellishments, and I am going to be ink blending this stencil, which is kind of new to me. I had it and never used it, and it's called Willow Fields, and I thought I would use it with some peeled paint distress oxide ink, and I thought it looked really great with those embellishments. And I'm just using white cardstock, and I'm making a A2 frame shaker card today, and I'm also going to be using some alphas, so I will be using those a little later. So for this giveaway you can win a stamp chamois. Isn't that great? I use mine so much, and you will see that mine's a little stained, but yours of course will be new. And I'm just going to be wiping off my brush, and I think it's so great because you can use it for stamps or your brushes. And so here is mine, and so I'm just wiping my ink off, and now I have my A2 frame here, and I'm going to cut my background out with it, and it's going to cut two pieces. And I'm also going to cut out some green cardstock as well. And I'm using some acetate from my stash, and I'm going to be using double-sided tape to glue that acetate to my border here. And then I'm going to be using a 1/4 inch for foam tape, and I'm going to double that up so my shaker bits have room to shake around. I'm also going to be adding another shaker mix, which is some green garden dots. I love the dots, and when I can I will grab them, and I thought it was perfect since they're green and this card is green, and I'm all about green. In March I'm actually wearing a green shirt, so March is super green for me. And so now I'm going to be adding my embellishments after I add my foam tape. And I'm just going to use my stamp chamois to wipe off some glue here. So that stamp chamois is perfect, and I'll have the playlist down below so you can watch everyone who's participating in the hop today. I can't wait to see their projects as well. Also, we have an Instagram hop, so make sure and check that out as well. I am just going to make my A2 card base, and loving my Kat Scrappiness tools, and I am going to glue my stenciled background, and then I will be adding my embellishments. So I'm going to get out my triangle tray, and I'm going to be mixing up some of these embellishments here. And so I will have everything that I used and the details for the hop down below. So actually I grabbed all my triangle trays except a couple, I believe. And I'm just adding, how pretty are those pastel lime sequins or embellishments, and I'm just putting all three of them in there. So pretty. I love the sparkle and I love glitter, so I love this shaker card. And then here are my garden green dots, just for a little shake. When you shake it, it'll be a little loud, which I love. So I'm just going to take my release tape off, and then I will put all my shaker bits and put my frame over my background there. And I think this shaker card came out easy, so I love that. And so I'm just going to try and put them, but some of those dots try and get away, and that's okay. I managed to save most of them. And now I'm just using a powder tool and trying to get the static wiped away. And so I will put that border, and still trying to rescue some of those dots. And then I decide to add some liquid glue. I've been doing that lately, adding liquid glue over my foam tape. I just feel like it'll stay on better. And a little more wiggle room in case I didn't put it on right. So now I am secure, yay! And I do let that sit for a little bit before I shake it. I might even put a stamp block over it. And oh no, I guess I do shake it. So yay, I love how that looks, so pretty. Sorry for the glare. So here are my alphas. I decided to do a high, so uppercase H and a lowercase I, and I'm using some pattern paper from the Crafty Quokka. Let me see, it is from, I know it's on here, the Crafty Quokka 6x6 paper pad, and some more green there. And then I'm also going to add another sentiment, which is from the Quokka Flowers stamp set. And I'm going to use a coordinating die for that. I actually have some stamped and cut out for me in my stash, so that worked out just great. And I'm just adding some foam tape to these letters with my liquid glue. And like I said, I'll have to use these letters again. They were really fun. And there is my second sentiment. So I hope you like this card. Make sure and leave comments for a chance to win that stamp chamois. And I am just going to add a few more sequins, I believe. These are the glitter ones, so I'm just going to add 3 of these glitter sequins to my card for some extra interest, and then I will show you a close-up. And I hope you check out the mini detail blending brushes. They're so great, and check out all the embellishments. They're a lot of fun sprinkles and sequins. And here is a close-up, so thank you for joining me and have a wonderful day.